Hey guys, welcome back to Helpful Solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to fix buzzing sound in HP laptop. In the first step, clean the cooling fan. For this, power off the laptop, you unplug it and use compressed air to remove dust from the vents. Dust accumulation can cause fan noise. The next step, adjust power settings. For this, lowering the maximum processor state can reduce fan activity. To control panel, then select power options. After that, change plan settings. Then select change advanced power settings and select processor power management and set the maximum processor state to 90%. The issue persists in update audio drivers. Outdated drivers can cause speaker buzzing. Open device manager, expand sound, video and game controllers. Then right click your audio device and select update driver. If the issue persists, then run HP support assistant. For this, use this tool to check for hardware issues and driver updates. Download it from HP's official website. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tips.